friends, today we're going to draw a summer capybara.
And we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can always use whatever you have.
Yeah, like crayons or colored pencils.
Yeah, you could also use paint.
Ooh, that would be very fun.
Oh, and at the very end, you need to come up with a name, okay?
Okay, I'll be thinking.
All right. Okay, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's start by drawing our capybara's mouth. We're going to draw a line straight down. We're going to draw kind of a tall mouth. And we're going to turn it into the letter J and also a backwards J at the same time. Yeah, there's the funny mouth. Okay, now we're going to draw a nostril, and it could look like a watermelon seed or a sideways raindrop. Yes. Okay, and then we're going to draw the eyes. We're going to draw a circle and a matching circle on the right. Looks scary.
A little bit.
Then we're going to draw the highlight or a small circle. I always like adding this because it makes the eyes shiny and cute. Yeah, we're going to color in the big circle but leave that little circle white. And if we ever go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, for more time. Now, you could change the eyes. You could add eyelashes.
Oh, yes.
You definitely have to add eyelashes. Or you could add sunglasses. Really turn it into a summer capybara. Okay, next, let's draw the head. And we're going to draw a big upside down letter U. I'm going to start over here close to the eyes. And, oh, also, we're going to make it tricky. But you could keep going over to the other side. But I'm going to add little fuzzy hair on the top. And then I'm going to keep going over to the other side. Well, this is going to be a big, giant capybara.
That is so big.
It's so big. It's going to take up a lot of room. Okay, let's give him little chubby cheeks. Okay. It's not going to quite look like a capybara until we color in the snout, but let's just keep going. We're going to draw next the arms. Let's draw a sideways or kind of a diagonal upside down letter U and a matching one on this side. We're going to draw his paws holding on to the watermelon. Then we can draw the watermelon. First let's connect the arms. So we're going to come down and then curve up to the shoulder. I bumped your arm over.
Okay,
I went, recover. Yeah, there you go. He's got a little sharp elbow.
Yeah, that's okay.
That's my bad. Then we're going to come down here. Sometimes there are mistakes in art when your dad bumps your arm.
It actually has never happened.
I know, that's first time ever. There we go. Okay, let's add little paw fingers on both hands. Oh, I know why it doesn't look like a capybara. We got to add the little ears.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, little mouse ears. And then we could also draw a little curve inside. Yeah, that looks a little better. A little. Now let's draw the watermelon. We're going to draw a letter U, but you could use a pencil if you want to draw through the arms. But we're going to first draw the side. I'm going to draw it here. Then we're going to imagine it going behind and connecting over to the other side and then coming out over here. So it kind of makes this big letter U. Yeah, but if you wanted to draw with a pencil, you could, and then erase through the arms. Perfect. Then we're going to draw the top of the watermelon. And if you want, you could just draw a straight line. But I think we should also add a bite. So I'm going to draw two short lines coming in. And then we could draw little U's connected to the other side. Yeah, that looks awesome. Okay, we're going to add more details later when we're coloring the watermelon. But let's move on to the body. We're going to draw the side of our capybara coming down on both sides. On mine, I'm going to add shorts, a swimsuit shorts. On yours, you could draw a different style swimsuit. If you want, you could finish the body curving in a bit more. Mm-hmm. And then on mine, I'm going to draw the shorts in a sec. Then we're going to draw right here. You could kind of draw the bottom of the body, but leave a space. Yeah, so it's a curve down. There you go. And then you can draw the feet coming out, around, and then back in. Yes, perfect. I love it so much. It's looking really cute. Okay, and then matching on that side. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. Okay, and then you could add the swimsuit. You could draw a little curve right here and a little curve. You could also draw a little tutu, add whatever details you want. You could also add a little strap up here on the shoulders, connecting from here over to the side if you want. I'm going to draw swim trunks. So first I'm going to draw the waist curving around. Okay. And then, that's awesome. And the little straps.
I could turn it into a two-piece swimsuit too.
Oh yeah. Let
Should
me
I do
see.
that?
Yeah.
Okay.
For sure. Yeah. I love it. That's awesome. Okay. Now I'm going to finish my swim trunks. I'm going to draw a little curve here and then 2 short lines down. I want these to come down and match with the inside. And then I'm going to draw the bottom of the swim trunks. These are big. This leg's a lot bigger. And then I'm going to draw the feet sticking out like how you did. And then curve around to match on this one. And that's a little foot. That's okay. And then we could also add 2 toe lines for our little feet. Yes, we did it. We finished drawing our summer capybara, except we still need to
color them.
Yes, especially the watermelon. This part we'll fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match your same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring our little capybaras and they turned out awesome. I always love yours. And I love that we added seeds and I added spots to my little swimsuit.
I colored mine pink.
Yeah, she's really cute. And we definitely need to come up with a name for this one.
Bean.
It looks like a bean.
Yeah.
And our friends could finish their drawing by adding even more things.
Yeah, like a background.
Yeah, what could be in the background?
A beach.
Yeah, with a big sun.
And beans.
And more beans?
Yes. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Bean.
Yeah, beans now my new favorite. We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.